Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you the procedure how to hide your applications, videos, pictures, everything in your phone from other persons. Just go to the Play Store and install Audio Manager. This is Hide Pictures Hide It Pro. Its actual name is Hide It Pro. You have to install it. I have already installed it. The developer of the application is Anuj Tenani. Now open the, just go to your home page. First of all, let me clear the defaults of this application. You don't have to do this. Actually, you have to do this if you are doing this for the first time. Let me clear the data so that I'll show you how to set up the audio manager. Now go to the audio manager. This is, which actually is Hide It Pro. So this is written, tap and hold the audio manager logo above the launch, about to launch the actual Hide It Pro app. This message will disappear next time you launch the application. So below the audio manager logo there are certain sliders, alarm volume slide. You can actually slide this. The music volume, you can actually slide it just to fake out your application so that no one can guess actually it is a Hide It Pro application. Now tap the audio manager for some time. So now you have to set it up. Select a lock screen. It's a pin based. Set the pin and password based. Now I'll be setting the pin based. By default the password is 8888. Save this and you can change the pin later. Now you can set up the recovery email. For example, if it happens that you may lose your data or whatsoever and you have your applications installed, you have applications hide in the audio manager, then you can use this, or you can if you forgot the password, then you can use this method to recover your password. Now I am skipping this for a while. Okay, now this has been set up. Now tap the audio manager, the password 8888, and it will open up. See, you can hide the pictures, you can hide the videos, you can hide the music, you can hide the applications. Then you can hide the messages. One more thing is that for hiding the apps, your phone should have root access. And friends, if you don't know what root is, then please don't try to hide apps by using this. Now this I'll be showing you. First of all, let's go to the settings. General settings, you can find the show lock screen when hidden. You don't have to go into this. Now comes, this is a good option, long press duration. For example, long press duration means that for how much duration you have to press the audio manager logo so that it will open up Hide It Pro application. Let me set it up for 3 seconds. Now exiting the application, again opening up audio manager. Now I have to press the audio manager logo for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. It should open up. Yes. And the password, here you go. Another thing is that going to the settings, you can change the look of the audio manager. For example, UI settings, you can change the theme. You don't have to go into these details. Other settings, you can use all the settings with your convenience. So now coming to the, going back. Okay friends, so now suppose if I have to hide the application or hide the photograph folder, for example this one, share and see the options. Just send it to audio manager. Tap for 3 seconds. Password, create a folder or select folder. I'll create a folder, name my private pics. Create a folder, my private pics, and OK. File management complete. Where do you want to go? Go back. Now this will be hidden from your gallery. Okay. Now go to the audio manager. Tap for 3 seconds. And see pictures. This is your pic. And now this pic will not be visible from your gallery. See. Has been removed. Now again you can share the pic. Share, going to, and send it to audio manager. Again tap for 3 seconds. Password and select folder, my private pics. That's it. Similarly you can do this for your videos. Now that's it friends. Okay, have a nice day.